Bad latte art. Cooking experiments. Maps of someone's run. Photos of your cousin's brunch. Conversations between actual couples. Gym photos. Weird political rants. Social experiments. Candycrush / Farmville / whatever invites. Vaguebooking. Targeted ads. Hyperpublic oversharing. Lame Kickstarters. Whining. Event invites from your roommate's terrible band. Terrible Facebook memes. Creepy newborn baby photos. Humblebrags. Outrage over fake articles. Mundane status updates. Terrible grammar. Photos from weddings you weren't invited to. Festival selfies. Inspirational quotes. Sonograms. Bitmojis. Vacation photos. Obvious observations. Public airing of dirty laundry.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.